Hello dear friends, welcome again, and here is question number 4, Necta Form 4 Basic Mathematics 2021. For A, an engineer is in the process of constructing two straight roads, Road 1 and Road 2, which will meet at the right angles. If Road 1 will be represented by the equation 2x minus 3y minus 4 equals to 0, and Road 2 will be passed through point 4, negative 2. Find the equation representing R2 in the form of ax plus bx plus c. So focusing on A first, dear students. Focusing on A, we were given Road 1 with equation 2x minus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. Road 2 will be ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and also Road 2 pass through 4, negative 2, and we know that Road 1 is perpendicular to Road 2. So if that is the case, dear students, what we are going to do here we are going to find the gradient of Road 1, and from here we are going to make y the subject. So 3y will be equal to 2x minus 4. You can divide now by 3 throughout, so y will be equal to 2 over 3x minus 4 over 3. So you compare this with y equals to mx plus c. You can see that actually the slope of Road 1, we're going to call it m1. m1 is 2 over 3. But since R1 is perpendicular to R2, then m1, m2 is going to be negative 1. So m1 is 2 over 3 times m2 equals negative 1. It means m2 will be negative 3 over 2. So now we are going to find the equation of R2 being given 4, negative 2 is our common point. Probably you're going to call it x1, y1. Okay? So we're going to say that the equation is y equals to m2, the equation will be y equals to mx minus x1 plus y1, and now we're going to focus to m2, so it will be m2 x minus x1 plus y1. Okay, to avoid confusion, you can name these points to be x2, y2 here. So x2, y2, and here we are going to use x2 also, y2. So we're going to say that x minus x2 plus y2. So y will be negative 3 over 2 in the bracket x minus 4 minus 2. You simplify further, you have now negative 3 over 2 x minus 4 minus 2. You open the bracket, is equal to negative 3 over 2x plus 3 times 4 over 2, negative, of course, become positive, minus 2. So it will be y equals to negative 3 over 2x plus, you have 3 times 2, it is 6 minus 2. Now you have y equals to negative 3 over 2x plus 3. You can multiply by 3 throughout, sorry, by 2. When you do that, you have 2y equals to negative 3x plus 6. You're going to combine them now. 2y plus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. So that is the equation of rod 2. So equation of rod 2 is 2y plus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. We are going to proceed with part 2 of the equation. We were told that a boat, so here the question, a boat crosses a river at a velocity of 30 km per hour southward. So we have a boat crossing the river going southward with speed of 30 km per hour. Water in the river flow at 5 km due east. So water is flowing due east at a rate of 5 km per hour. So calculate the resultant velocity of the boat. The resultant velocity of the boat. So we are looking for this velocity here, VR equals to how much? So this is 90 degree here, and what we are going to do, actually we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So we are going to say, okay, this is VB, maybe V of a boat, sorry, V of water, and this is VB. So VW plus VB square equals to VR square. So you have 5 square plus 30 square equals to VR square. VR square will be 25 plus 900. VR square will be 925. So VR will be square root of 925. The result is kilometer per hour. So VR, what we are going to do, we are going to find the square root of, 925. So the square root of 925, dear friends, 925 is a square root is 30. You get 30.4 km per hour. So that is all, and that is a solution for question A, as we have seen here, and question B, question number 4B, as we can see it here. If it is your first time to be here, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you're going to be updated on the coming content. Thank you.